Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, enterprise analytics is not just about dashboards, it's about turning complex data into real business insight. So, is OpenText Analytics a niche tool or a true powerhouse? Let's break it down. OpenText Analytics is designed for enterprises that manage massive volumes of unstructured and structured data. It helps organizations analyze content, processes, and operational data across departments. With strong integration into the OpenText ecosystem, it delivers deeper visibility, compliance support, and actionable intelligence for data-driven decisions. OpenText Analytics shines for businesses that need governance, scale, and insight all in one place. If you're looking for enterprise-grade analytics in 2025, OpenText Analytics offers depth, control, and serious analytical power. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.